Good morning, children. I am teacher Judith. And so for today, we are going to start our day with a prayer. Let's sing our prayer song. I love you better every day. I love you better every day. He is my Lord, the W-A-Y. I love him better every day. Okay, so now let's have our good morning song. I want to hear your voice. Okay? Good morning. How are you? It's so nice to have you here with me today. Good morning. How are you? How do you do? Hello, good day. Okay, so before we start our new lesson for today, let me see if you still remember what you have learned yesterday. So now, I have here the trains of letters and alphabets and numbers. Okay? What are you going to do is, you are going to arrange the letters and numbers in its correct order so that the train could go. Okay? So let's start from you. Okay? You try to put the letter here. Okay, so let's see if your answer is correct. Let's say the letter J, K, and L. Okay, since your answer is correct, let us give him an angel clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3, an angel clap. 1, 2, whoo, whoo. 1, 2, whoo, whoo. 1, 2, whoo. Okay, now it's her turn. This time I want you to arrange the numbers in its correct order. Okay, so let's count. If her answer is correct. 6, 7, 8. Okay, you are also great. So, but for you, we are going to give you a fireworks clap. Are you ready to do the fireworks clap? Okay. 1, 2, psh. 1, 2, psh. 1, 2, psh. 1, 2, psh. 1, 2, psh, 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 psh. Boom! Okay. So, before we start our new story for today, I have something to tell you. So, have you seen a butterfly? Okay. So, what can you say about a butterfly? Okay. So, it is colorful. It has colorful. What do you call this? Okay, wings. Okay. So, do you know where does a butterfly came from? Okay. So, you listen carefully to my story so that you will know how a butterfly grows. Okay. So, before I show this to you, what is our rule during story time? Okay, very good. You sit properly and then be quiet and listen attentively to teacher. Okay. So, for today, the title of the story is The Little Caterpillar. On a garden, a little egg lay on a leaf. So can you see the little egg on the leaf? Okay, no. So you can see because it is very little. So let's have a closer look. Okay, here it is. So this is the little egg. So one morning, the little egg is resting on a leaf. And then the other day, and as the sun came out, the little egg become, do you want to guess? Okay, so let's see. So the little egg became a little caterpillar. So this is what a caterpillar looks like. What can you say about the color? Okay, it's green. Very good. Okay. Out of the little egg came a little caterpillar. The little caterpillar is very hungry. So she looked for food. So where do you think the caterpillar looks for food? Do you think the caterpillar eats hot dog? Or do you think the caterpillar eats chocolate? Okay, let's see. Okay, so here it is. So the little caterpillar found some leaves. Of course, caterpillars do not eat hot dog or chocolate. They only eat leaves, fresh leaves, because for them, leaves is healthy. So she found some leaves and she ate many of it until she was already full. After a few days, the little caterpillar began to feel sleepy. So where do you think a caterpillar sleeps? Do you think a caterpillar sleeps on a bed? Okay. Do you think a caterpillar has a bedroom? Okay, so let's see. Okay. So she built a small house around herself. The little caterpillar became a pupa now. So this one, when the caterpillar made a small house around herself, it is now called pupa. Okay, very good. And then, after more than 2 weeks, there's something that's coming out from the pupa. Can you guess what's coming out from the pupa? Okay, so let's see. So out of the pupa came a healthy and beautiful butterfly. Okay. Thank you for listening, kids. So, for me to know if you really listen to me, I'm going to ask you some questions. So, who came out from the little egg? Okay, yes? What's your answer? Okay, very good. So, altogether, let us say the caterpillar came out from the little egg. And then, what did the caterpillar do when she feels hungry? Okay, it's your turn. Okay, so she ate many leaves. And then, the little caterpillar feels sleepy. What did he do after? What did she do after? Okay, so she built a small house and she rested there. Okay, very good. And then, after that, after she built a small house, what now happened to the little caterpillar? Is she still a caterpillar? Okay, very good. So the caterpillar became a butterfly. Now, let's look at again how a butterfly grows. So it begins with a little egg, okay? And then it became a caterpillar. And then we have the pupa. And then we have the butterfly. Okay, so that's how a butterfly grows. But now, not only the butterfly is growing, there are also other things that grow in correct order. So now, this time, I want you to look at this picture. And I want you to arrange it in correct order. So this one is a picture of a seed grown into a plant. Okay, so let's start. Okay, and then what about the second picture? And then what's next? then what about the last one? Okay, so of course, the one that is left here. Okay. So from a seed, something came out, like this one, small leaves, and then the flowers started to bud, and then it became a plant and the flower grows. Okay, grows. Okay, so here is what you're going to do. I am going to give you